Now, if we were to elaborate on the definition of populations, we would also say that because they're members of the same species, they can interbreed with each other, but at the same time, they can also cooperate and compete with each other. And we will be calling this intraspecific competition. Now, let's actually move on to the main agenda or the main topic of this video, estimating the population size of mobile individuals. Now, if we're measuring the population of a group of plants, of a bunch of plants, we would easily be able to measure that by using density, by using quadrats and counting how many squares are covered by the plants or vegetation. However, if we're talking about mobile organisms, because they move around, it's very difficult to accurately count how many organisms there are, and also especially if they're very, very small, say like a colony of ants, it's much more difficult to accurately count each and individual single of them. Therefore, we use a method that's called the capture, mark, release, and recapture method. Now, it's quite self-explanatory. To start off with, we capture a random sample, a random group of individuals, and then we mark those same individuals, and then we release them. After that, we recapture a group of other organisms or individuals of the same species, and then we count how many of the recaptured individuals, organisms, are marked. And from then on, we can do a little calculation involving percentages in order to estimate the total population. And we call this the Lincoln Index. And the Lincoln Index is used to calculate and estimate the number of species, and the equation is as follows, where we have M, which is the number of individuals that are initially captured, divided by R, the number of individuals that are marked in the recaptured group, over N, which is the number of individuals that are recaptured. Now, using this equation, we're generally able to estimate the total size of the population.